Good morning, students. Today I will start GK, and in GK we will discuss two topics, and that is animal safari and flightless bird. So first, let's discuss about animal safari. Safari means a journey to Africa. Safari is an expedition to see animals in their natural habitat. So earth is a home to a wide range of animals. Animals live in all type of habitat. So now let's know about some animals. Number 1, jaguar. So jaguar are the third largest cat in the world after the tiger and the lion. Jaguars are excellent swimmers. Number 2, sambar, one of the largest member of deer family. Sambar deer are light brown or dark with a grayish or yellowish tinge. Number 3, porcupine. So porcupine are stout, short-legged animals. They often move slowly. It is a relative of rats with sharp spines or quills on its body. Number 4, dingo. Dingo are medium-sized dog, long from head to tail. So it is a wild dog of Australia that is different from other dog because it cannot bark. Number 5, koalas. Koalas are often referred to as koalas bear, but they are actually marsupials, not bear. Koalas are native to Australia. Koala live in eucalypt forest and eat gum leaves, which are usually toxic to other animals. Number 6, chimpanzee. Chimpanzee have almost the same DNA as human. It is hard to believe, but it is completely true. Chimpanzees are also one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. They love to spend lots of time running their fingers through each other's hair to remove bugs, dirt, and dead skin. Now let's do some quiz. Now look at this picture. The largest animal on earth. So this is the picture of blue whale. Number 2, the smallest animal. And this is the picture of bumblebee bat. Number 3, the fastest land animal. And that is cheetah. So this is the picture of cheetah. Number 4, the slowest mammal. So this is sloth. Number 5, the tallest animal. Now this everybody know. So this is giraffe. Number 6, the smallest bird. And that is hummingbird. So this is the picture of hummingbird. Number 7, the fastest bird. So this is peregrine falcon. Number 8, the most intelligent animal. And this is the picture of, yes, dolphin. Number 9, the most poisonous animal on earth. So this is the picture of poisonous dart frog. Number 10, the fastest swimming animal. And this is sailfish. And last, number 11, the longest snake in the world. And this is the picture of python. Now, chapter 6, flightless bird. So, our next topic is flightless bird. So, children, you all must be knowing birds fly in the sky. But when we think of bird, we think of flying creature soaring high up in the sky. But there are several birds that cannot fly, and they are called flightless bird. Most of these birds have wings, although they have very little use for them. Now, let us know about some flightless bird. Number 1, emu. So this is an emu. It cannot fly. It has feather which look like fur on its body. It is one of the largest bird in the world. It lives in Australia. Number 2, cassowary. It lives in Australia. It has a crested head. Number 3, penguin. So this is penguin. Although penguin cannot fly, they are excellent at swimming and fishing. They live in the Antarctic region. Number 4, kakapo. So this is kakapo, bird found in New Zealand. So this is also known as owl parrot. Number 5 is kiwi. So this is kiwi. It is smaller than a hen. It lives in the bush of New Zealand and spends its time searching food worms. Number 6 is ostrich. So this is an ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but it can run fast. Number 7, rhea. It is smaller than ostrich. It lives in South America. It is great runner. Number 8 is takai. So this is takai. It is a cute flightless bird. It is the largest member of royal family. This bird also found in New Zealand and it was considered to be extinct. So children, you have to complete both exercise in your book. Page number 15, page number 16 and page number 17 in your GK book. Till then, thank you.